Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about Facebook Marketplace for businesses. Let's get started. Businesses can take advantage of selling and advertising their products not only on their Facebook shop but also on Facebook Marketplace. Your business can reach more audiences and easily convert them into your regular customers. Your business can attract millions of potential customers when you market your business's products on Facebook Marketplace. First, you can advertise on Facebook Marketplace. You can increase your brand awareness when your business-sponsored ads are seen in one of the product listings on Facebook Marketplace. You can advertise your products to reach more potential buyers and shoppers. There are millions of users on Facebook Marketplace who are active buyers. If they see your sponsored ad while they are browsing Marketplace, there's a greater chance that they will click on your ad and discover your product. Potential buyers can view your sponsored ad similar to the product listings on Marketplace. Some buyers won't even notice the difference and they can develop an interest in your product. When they click on your ad, they can be redirected to a checkout page to purchase the product on your ad, send them a direct message about the ad, or be redirected to your business e-commerce site. Next, you can test your new products. If your business is planning to launch a product, Facebook Marketplace is a great platform to test your new products. Just create a new product listing and place it under the right category. It will be shown to Facebook users who are interested to buy products. You can test out the best price to sell your new product as well. You may check the offers sent by potential buyers to see how much your new product are best sold at. Next, boost your listings. When you create product listings on Marketplace, you may notice the option to boost your listing. You can turn your product listing into a Facebook ad. More people can see it, and it can help you sell your products faster. You may even see a preview in your listing section and check out how boosting your product listing will look like as people see it. They will see a photo of the product, the section showing that it is sold by, and the call to action button. The product listing that you have chosen to boost will appear on Facebook newsfeed, search results, and Marketplace. Next, increase your business's local sales. Facebook Marketplace shows products to buyers in a certain location. If you want to target buyers in your local community or a specific location, you can choose the location where Facebook will show your product listings. Just create a new listing, choose to sell an item, then input the details of the product and look for location. Change the location to the specific location where you want your product to be shown to, and people who are located near that area will be able to view your product listing. Shoppers who are browsing Marketplace look for products that they can purchase in their community. Next, sell directly to prospects. When you create product listings, Facebook will show your products to the right audiences who are searching for products similar to your product listings. Potential buyers can send you direct messages about the product. They might ask about the availability of the product, the condition of the product, the best price you can give them, and any product information that they will need to ask to encourage them that the product is working in an excellent condition and that they need to purchase that product. If they discover your product listing, potential buyers will check the seller's information. Your business page will be shown here. People can like your page using the like button, and they can go to your Facebook page to discover more product listings on your Facebook shop. You may notice that the products that are found on their Facebook shop are seen like a product listing on Marketplace. This business has linked Marketplace as their sales channel. Creating a product listing on Marketplace for your business allows your brand to be discovered by different sets of audiences on Facebook. You can test out the platform to attract potential buyers and discover your products on Facebook. You can sell your products locally and increase your brand awareness to boost your sales. People who are near your business location can discover your product listings on the Marketplace. If your business needs buyer traffic from Pinterest, we have a marketing app that can help you use an automation app for Pinterest. It's called Pinflux. Pinflux is the most powerful Pinterest marketing tool that you'll ever own. It runs on your desktop. It has the biggest set of features, and no other tools has the range of features and capabilities Pinflux has. It's designed for hands-free automation. It lets you work on Pinterest using API key. It offers complete reporting, which gives the details on each action Pinflux takes. Automate your marketing on Pinterest. Find new buyers and 100% new audience. Build traffic with other people's content. You can get high-quality buyer traffic to your offers. Find new content for nearly any niche. Try Pinflux now. Go to pinflux.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.